6 eggs. They count it. Get the eggs in there. You just open it up. If you don't know how to do that, then it's an issue with you. You get your salt. You go tush, 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 tush. Then you open the magical tin of spices and herbs, and you go and you get the turmeric, and you dandly just put a bit on there, okay? And then you get the spices, the red stuff, the chili powder. Wow. Then you get a fork and you mix. Wow, this looks amazing. Okay. Okay, mixed. And then we go to the pan. We go to the pan. We put it on heat. Woo! Woo! Butter. Douche. You mix it around like that. Ooh. Wow. There you go. My filming's awful. Can you see it? Wow. The butter is buttering. So there you go. The butter's buttered. It's done its thing. Get the eggs and just put. It's hard to do with one hand. I want to drop it everywhere. There you go. Done. Nice. Then you use your sword, right? And you just mix it up. I don't like to have it just like a normal omelette. I like to just break it up. You know what I'm saying? You break it up, make it even more up, right? So it's like a little omelette thing, scrambled egg thing. We add the tuna. Fuck! Ow! I actually just cut myself. Ow! Don't do this at home, kids. So yeah, we add the tuna. Then what I'll do, I'll get some grated cheese. I normally use Parmigiano Reggiano, the best cheese, but I haven't got that in a minute, so I'm just gonna use this one. You melt it all on top, get some more, you shit it on there, you know what I'm saying? As much cheese as you want, healthy fats, it's got some protein in there. And boom, let that melt. Then you've got yourself a high fat, high protein meal, which will satiate you, you won't be bloated, you'll feel incredible. Life's good, man, life's good.